इस बार G20 की प्रेसिडेंसी इंडिया के पास है, प्लस अभी चंद्रयान 3 भी सक्सेसफुल हो गया है, तो ब्राउन मुंडेज आर रियली रॉकिंग। G20 2023 का समिट न्यू दिल्ली इंडिया में हो रहा है फ्रॉम 9th September 2023 to 10th September 2023. Now it is happening in India. India is hosting this summit. So everybody in India should know the basics of G20. At least NCR peeps को तो पता ही होना चाहिए यार कि G20 है क्या, ताकि कोई भी पूछे तो उनके मुंह पे फेंक के मारो कि ये है। Now let's talk about G20. What is G20? G20 is an informal intergovernmental forum of 19 nations and European Union. It works to address major issues related to international financial stability, climate change mitigation, and sustainable development. It accounts for 80% of gross world product GWP, that is combined gross national income of the world. 75% of international trade, 60% of world's total land area, two-thirds of global population. G20 2023 summit is 18th head of the state and government summit. Theme of this year's summit is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, or One Earth, One Family, One Future, is drawn from the ancient Sanskrit text of Maha Upanishad. This is the logo of G20 2023 summit. The G20 summit is held annually under the leadership of a rotating presidency. इसका मतलब कि G20 का जो summit होता है वो rotating presidencies में होता है amongst its member. इस बार की प्रेसिडेंसी इंडिया के पास है, जैसे कि हमें पता है। The members are Argentina, United Kingdom, Brazil, Canada, USA, Italy, Indonesia, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, European Union, India, China, Russia, Australia, South Korea, Turkey, Japan, Mexico, France, Germany. The working of G20. G20 presidency steers the G20 agenda for 1 year and hosts the summit. G20 consists of two parallels, finance track and Sherpa track. Finance track include finance ministers and central bank governors. It is mainly led by finance ministry. Sherpa track is coordinated by Sherpas. Sherpas are the civil servant or diplomat or who undertakes preparatory work prior to a conference. There are engagement groups which bring together civil societies, parliamentarians, think tanks, women, youth, labor, businesses, and researchers of G20 countries. The presidency is supported by Troika, that means previous, current, and incoming presidencies. This year's Troika is formed by India, Brazil, and Indonesia. G20 2022 presidency was with Indonesia. G20 23 presidency is with India, and upcoming G20 2024 presidency will be with Brazil. Now let's know something about G7. The difference between G7, G8 and G20 is G20 is formed from G7 or not. Let's see. G7 or group of 7 mainly has to do with politics. After the first oil shock of 1970, economies across the world were suffering and global leaders wanted to do something about it. So a group of government officials decided to meet and figure things out. In 1998, Russia joined the club, making it G8, but it was kicked out in 2014 after its annexation of Crimea. Now we are back to G7. So G7 countries include Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, United Kingdom, USA. तो हमें पता चलता है कि G7 और G20 are two different forums.